Hello, my name is Milo, and in today's video I'm teaching you guys how to add end screens to your YouTube videos. Now I'm using Microsoft Edge, but it works on Google Chrome as well. So first you'll go into Microsoft Edge, then click on your little profile. After clicking on that, you'll have to go straight to YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, you'll go straight down to videos, then find the video you want to use and press details. After you've done that, you'll just scroll down a bit more till you see the word end screen. Simply click on that and find the time you want to add your end screen. After you find that time, you'll have to add either one video, one subscribe. There's actually many options for you to choose from, but I'm only going to use one video and one subscribe. Now you can bring them to the place you want them to be at the end of your video pretty simply, just like this. I'm going to drag the timer over here so I can see what time I need to have. 2 minutes 19:05. So you'll click on video best for viewer, depending on what it is. 215:02. Then we'll do the same with the subscribe box. Click on it, go back, 215:02. Now that we're done that, we'll just press save. And there you go, works perfectly. Try it out yourself, amazing. Thanks for watching, my name is Milo, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, before you click off, just want to let you guys know that I'm not going to be doing 2 videos per week now. It's very stressful and I'd rather just do 1 video per week. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for 90 subscribers. I really do appreciate it.